Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we were talking about agro-based industries. In that we talk about cotton textile industry. Now we'll talk about jute textile industry. Jute is India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods, second largest exporter in the world. 70% jute mills mostly located in West Bengal. 80% jute produced in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and 10% rest in Bihar, UP, MP, Orissa, Assam, and Tripura. Here are some pictures of jute production. Here are these articles that are made by jute. In West Bengal, jute mills along Hooghly River. Concentration here is due to location of jute producing areas close to the jute mills and inexpensive water transport. Availability of abundant water is very important for processing jute. Cheap labor is one of the major reasons. Banking, insurance facilities and port facilities are also important for jute mills. Main market of jute is US, Canada, Russia, UAE, UK and Australia. Here are some challenges faced by the industry. Demand for jute carpets and packaging material needs to be promoted. High production cost, stiff competition in the international market and synthetic substitutes are posing problems. Now let's talk about woolen textile industry. Woolen textile industry found at Punjab, Maharashtra, UP, Gujarat, Haryana and Rajasthan. Here are some articles that are made by wool. Punjab, Dhariwal, Ludhiana and Amritsar. In Maharashtra, Mumbai, Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur, Shahjahanpur, Agra and Mirzapur. In Gujarat, Ahmedabad and Jamnagar are the prominent centers of wool production. Haryana, Panipat and Gurgaon, Rajasthan, Bikaner and Jaipur, Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Karnataka and Bangalore are the other centers of wool production. Hosiery producing units are located primarily in Punjab, Haryana and Tamil Nadu. Good quality raw wool is imported from Australia. Main markets are USA, Russia, UK, Canada and several European countries. Woolen industry facing problems like shortage of raw material or raw wool, lack of internal market, low quality of woolen products. Now let's talk about other agro-based industries, that is silk textile industry. In India, 4 well-known varieties of silk are produced. For example, mulberry, tussar, eri and muga. Here are some pictures of silk production. About 90 silk textile mills are there in India. India produces 8.5 lakh kg of silk yarn. More than 9 out of 10 of production units are in Karnataka, Bangalore, Kolar, Mysore and Belgaum. West Bengal, Murshidabad and Bankura. Jammu Kashmir, Anantnag, Baramulla and Srinagar. Silk textile industry is facing tough competition with China, Thailand, Italy markets, USA, UK, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Singapore. Another agro-based industry is synthetic textile industry. Important segment of textile industry, human-made fiber. It is special due to its qualities, strength, durability, dyeability and workability. 4 well-known fibers are synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, terine and dacron. Here are some pictures of synthetic textile industries. Synthetic textile industries are found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Synthetic textile are in industries are in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Delhi, Amritsar, Gwalior and Karnataka. Dear students, paper industry is also agro-based industry. Paper is made out of soft wool, bamboo grass. It is produced in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Orissa, Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, etc. Dear students, another prominent agro-based industry is sugar industry. India stands second as a world producer of sugar. India occupies the first place in the production of gur and khansari. The raw material used in this industry is bulky. It is second largest agro-based industry after cotton. In 2010-11 there were over 662 sugar mills in the country, spread over UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Most of the mills are near the sugar cultivated areas. Major challenges faced by sugar industry are: it includes the seasonal nature of the industry, old and inefficient method of production, transport, delay in reaching cane sugar to factories to maximize the use of baggages. Earlier, UP and Bihar were the main producers of sugarcane. Therefore, most of the sugar mills were located in these two states only. But now, sugar mills are shifting towards Maharashtra and Karnataka because of following reasons. Per hectare, production of sugarcane is higher in southern India. Black soil is quite suitable for cultivation of sugarcane. Sucrose content in the sugarcane is higher in Maharashtra and Karnataka. It means more sugar can be produced for less sugarcane. Mills and machines are new in southern states. New and modern machines increase the productivity. Crushing season for sugarcane is longer in southern states. Cooperative sugar mills are running successfully in southern states. Dear students, in next video we'll talk about mineral based industries. Thank you.